This is one of the hydraulic Liftronics at Toombul station. This is two platforms. I think 1, 2. Yeah, 1, 2.
Doors opening on platform 1 and 2.
I don't know if this used to be a Dover, but who knows. Very similar to the ones at Petrie.
Doors opening on footbridge.
Definitely seems like it's VS charge controlled. The way it all moves. Cab.
Doors opening on platform 1 and 2.
Very big door track. Almost looks like a big version of the Wittur doors one. Bit squeaky.
Doors opening on footbridge.